Hi. In this video, we will go through how to set the default values at the level of invoices. In the billing module settings, select Setup and Configuration, where you can manage all default values, including languages for invoices, invoice status, the module default language, and more. To begin with, if you want to display the date of the services on the invoice, enable it from the Invoice Services tab. All invoice values, including expenses, services, and time entries related terms, invoice date, terms, payment, total, transaction type, etc., can be set in multiple languages from the Invoice Languages tab. Moreover, you can set the initial invoice approval status, and select the user groups and the users that should be notified when the invoice is either approved or rejected or moved to awaiting approval. Email notifications could also be sent to the selected users. You can also change the prefix of the invoice number, credit note number, and debit note number under Invoices section. Furthermore, invoice notes can be added from the invoice settings. Therefore, you can include any information you need in your invoice, for example, the bank account and payment method. It is also possible to add and manage the debit note and credit note reasons from the Invoices section as well. All you need to do is add the reasons in multiple languages if necessary. For more information on Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.